Hey, this is Eric from WP Charitable, and in this video, which is really geared towards developers, I'm going to show you how you can quickly set up a test site using Charitable Beta. And this is going to we're going to do this with a nice command line tool that we've included in the full development version of Charitable from GitHub. So just to be clear, you need to have cloned the GitHub Charitable from the GitHub repository. You can't do this with the public release on WordPress.org. If you're not sure how to clone the GitHub repository, on GitHub we've actually got the instructions right here, so you can have a look at that. Actually, below that we also cover how to use this setup script that we're about to use. But let's go over to the command line and see how that's done. That's not the command line. So there we go. Okay, so I've already cloned the repo, so all I really have left to do now is to run this setup script. Go bin /setup.sh panes equals 5, and I'm going to explain what each of these flags is doing in a moment, and what this whole command is going to do. So basically, this is going to do a whole bunch of stuff. First, it's going to activate Charitable. Next, it's going to create various pages like the profile page, login page, registration page, even the campaign submission page, which is if you're using ambassadors. It's going to create all those pages, which all have a specific shortcode that's supposed to go with them. And then it's going to configure the Charitable settings to use those pages. Next, because we've got campaigns set to 5, it's going to create 5 campaigns. And then we've got 50 donations set, so we'll create 50 donations to those campaigns. And those are going to be all kind of created randomly with random donor names. And the campaigns are going to be kind of random as well, like the end dates will be different, goals won't all be the same. So all those things will be different. Finally, this allow root flag is because I'm using local by flywheel, which logs me in as a root user when I'm doing stuff on the command line. So I need to do allow root. You might not need to do that. In general, it's preferable to not have to do things via root. But in this case, I'm not too worried about that, seeing as it's just a local test site. Okay, so let's run the script. So this will just take a little while to activate Charitable and do all that stuff. We'll get the feedback as we're going along. And then we'll check out our site. So, all right, cool. So it's all done. Let's get into our dashboard. Look at pages. You can see it's set up all the pages here, which were all published a minute ago, which is what we'd expect. Charitable wasn't activated before, so it's activated those, obviously. You can see our 5 campaigns set up here. As you can see, like the amount of money they've raised varies from campaign to campaign. The end date varies as well, so we've got one that's endless. We've got one that's actually finished. These are the donations, which are completely random. They're all down as manual donations, by the way. And the settings, we've got our login and our register profile pages all set up, and those all have those shortcodes. So we're done.